Friends, a very happy good morning to all of you. And it is not in a very happy note that I come in your presence. There's a person, Adesh Soni, and recently he has even made a call to kill all the Christians who are over here. So that's a very serious development because he's not alone. This man, Adesh Soni, is supported by right-wing bloodthirsty groups. And then this particular organization, which he claims to represent, is supported by Shankaracharya Sri Avi Mukteswaranandaji. And so this is a very serious development. And about a few days back, he has posted a letter on the social media, which is there for all of you to see. I am reading it out to you verbatim so that you can form your own opinions upon this matter. What he says is, Go pranam to all of you. I want to inform that all the Sanatanis, that those who are associated with saving the cow are left with the last option of war. Now there is no turning back. We have come to know through reliable sources that the villagers of village Bishrampur are trying their best to save themselves. Christians want to finish all our faith. So on 1st March, we will play with the honor of their daughters-in-law and daughters. We will do all obscene acts with them in the public square. You people have to forcibly enter everyone's house. Do not spare their daughters-in-law and corrupt them all. If anyone is a coward, please leave this group. I have got the support of the administration. This is enough for me. Wherever you see Christian people, enter their houses and kill everyone. No one should be able to escape. These Christians have slaughtered cows, which we hold as our mother. Now in the same way, we will slaughter their mother and their children. Cow protection is our holy duty. The most reverend Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Sri Avi Mukteswaranandaji Maharaj has said that we will kill those people and ask for death penalty for ourselves.
1000 लोग निकल के आ जाओ, निकलो, गौ हत्यारों को फांसी मत मांगो, खुद उनकी हत्या करो और अपने लिए फांसी मांगो।
बाद में कानून करेगा, कार्रवाई पहले हमें करनी है। हमें उसको सबक सिखाना है, हाथ तोड़ना है, पैर तोड़ना है, जो करना पड़ जाए हमको करना होगा। तब जाकर ये अधर्मियों की आत्मा कांपेगी। इन्हें किसी चीज का भय नहीं है, मौत का भय तो होगा। किंतु एक सेना का विस्तार हो चुका है। 1 मार्च 2025 को रायपुर से विश्रामपुर मात्र 63 किलोमीटर है। हम कम से कम 5000 गौ सेवक सेविकाएं वहां पहुंच रहे हैं, पलायन कर रहे हैं। विश्रामपुर, जनकपुर, गणेशपुर, ये तीनों गांव में 4500 की जनसंख्या है, जिसमें एक भी हिंदू, एक भी सनातनी नहीं है। केवल और केवल ईसाई भरे हैं वहां।
The cooperation of all of you is necessary. At least 50,000 people will be required. Only then our plan will succeed. Anything can happen. We have to take their lives, but we should also be prepared to give our lives. I will try to ensure that we get protection from the police administration. Join this group. Note, if the government is able to complete the 5 actions, then this yatra will be taken out in the form of Gau Abhar Yatra. Application complaint letter has been sent to the entire Chhattisgarh government, ministers and concerned officials through at least 100 mediums, and Most Reverend Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Sri Avi Mukteswaranandaji Maharaj himself has issued a letter to the Chhattisgarh government informing that in case the action is not completed, he himself can join this Gau Nyaya Yatra and will strip their daughters-in-law and daughters of all Christian community and parade them naked all around the village. Gentlemen, this was the way he has issued a letter. Let me geographically initiate you to this particular village. This was the village when 1873 a German missionary Lohr had put his foot on the Chhattisgarh ground, and he has established the first missionary service in Chhattisgarh. This is a group of villages consisting of 4 or 5 villages where they are all converted and believe in Christianity. So that is the background of this particular villages which they are targeting. Before this, right-wing government had come, and before this cow was held in high esteem and honor and everything, before that, about say 30 years back, bone crushing plant was put up over there by missionary Willie Whitcomb, and that was the source of livelihood for the Christians, because all the converts came from the untouchable communities and no sort of job or any employment was available to them. So they used to collect bones from all over the area and come and sell them to that particular crusher plant and make money, and that was their source of livelihood. Then suddenly this matter of cow slaughter and animal and all that came, so they started targeting that particular plant, and ultimately that plant was closed down. And before this plant was closed down, eating beef was a very common practice throughout India. Not only those villages, but there are dozens of Satnami villages there which consume beef, and these Christians come from the same community. So consuming beef was nothing new to them, and of course beef was being consumed in that village say about 7, 8, 10 years back. After that, when the right-wing government came in, they took out a diktat that cow slaughtering is illegal. So from that time, they have stopped slaughtering cows, and buffalo meat is certainly sold and eaten over there because that is their staple food over there. So this is the background. Now what these people are doing, they are trying to harass our people, and they want to ensure that all the people are under trouble so that they go back to their own religion. That is the main issue why the attack on these 3 villages is being done. So now there have been few incidences here and there of cow slaughter, and there the police is not acting. They are not arresting anyone. They take their money, fill their pockets, and they go back to their homes. And now the whole community is in the dock. This is a very well planned out move for them to put our people under the radar of hate. And ultimately now this declaration has come out that they will come out in hordes and they will kill all the people in these 3 villages of Chhattisgarh. The most alarming part is the person who has written this letter, he claims that he has got the support of the government. You can see the photograph with the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. He has got the support of the government. This is his claim. Then he claims that Swami Mukteswaranand ji, he is a Shankaracharya of a very big feat. He is more of a politician and less of a Dharm Guru. There was a Dharm Sansad few days back, I don't know in which place over there. Even this Shankaracharya has declared that yes, we will go and we will kill these people. And then he has blatantly even said that yes, be prepared to die, and you don't go and try to save yourself, but you kill those people over there who slaughter our cows, and then go and surrender yourself and be prepared to die. I want 1,000 such people. These are the type of statements which has given, which has resulted into this type of a hype to kill Christians. So a Manipur type of riots and a genocide is on the anvil over here, which cannot be denied. It's a very serious issue for the entire community, and this has to be raised up in all international forums, because ultimately India is a democratic country and we are bound to by the UN declaration. So if any country is not following the United Nations declarations, then they cease to be a democratic nation. So this has to be highlighted in all the United Nations countries and assure that democracy reigns over here, and this right-wing fundamentalism has to come to a stop. So I seek all your people's help in your own ways, within your own organizations, wherever you may be. We can always be in some sort of contact to what sort of movement next we will do. And please do not expect a big unity and big movement. We have to act from our places wherever we are. This is all I have to say. And anything, please be in contact. We are here for His glory. We are here to bring peace upon our nation. And that is all I have to say. So many thanks for listening to me.